Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the world of AI. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best prompt that you can use to actually help you guys with any prompt engineering as well as formatting whatever types of prompts that you want to use. Now the thing is, with this prompt that I'm going to be giving you, it is vitally important to use in each and every prompt that you want to create, and it will be beneficial for you as this prompt will help you get more articulated responses, as well as it will give you more of a detailed and precise answer that you want, and it will make it so that the content is more human-like. So it will refrain from the AI to create something that is less human or AI artificial. So I'm going to be showing you this, but before we can actually get into that, I would highly recommend it, guys, that you guys go subscribe. I have a lot of amazing videos, so I'd really recommend it that you guys go check out all these videos because it's going to help you out. And with that thought, let's get right into the video. So firstly, you want to go onto Chat GPT. Now the prompt is this. There's two certain prompts. They both work really well, but the first one is using the concepts written previously. You can rewrite this article. For example, I'm saying article, but you can change this, rewrite this basic text with a high degree of perplexity and burstiness. The second one is rewrite this article or whatever you're trying to articulate with artificial intelligence, changing 50% of the nouns and verbs for similar ones, and rewrite verb usages to add natural sounding variations and complexity, but retain the same tense and overall meaning. So what this will do is that it will help you guys formulate better responses, not only with better burstiness, but also with complexity, so creating more of a confusion as well as more of an articulated response. And it also states that when it comes to writing concepts, two factors are crucial, which is perplexity and burstiness. Perplexity measures the complexity of a text, which we talked about, and separately, burstiness compares to the variation of sentences, and this is something that humans tend to have as a trait. We write with great burstiness. Whenever we're talking or writing, we explain or use a lot of our different types of burst in our basic vocal as well as our text. For example, with some longer or complex sentences alongside with shorter sentences. So we tend to have longer sentences paired with shorter ones, and AI sentences tend to be more uniform. So this is why that if we're able to use this prompt, we're able to create a better, more precise, precise statement rather than an artificial intelligence one, which is more of a uniform type of statement. So therefore, when writing the following content, I'm going to ask you to create. I needed to give you a good amount of perplexity and burstiness. So this is the basic gist of it. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually use it in an article. So basically, for example, if I am a copywriter and I want to copy this is some random article, by the way, and if I want to copy this article, so I can just say, using the concepts written previously, so I can just copy and paste this article, or I'll just actually just do this, just get a little bit. Now what we want to do is take this prompt, and what we want to do is stop generating. Using the concept, you want to just copy and paste this prompt, and what it will do, it will rewrite the whole article or whatever we have written over there, and it will give you a more precise as well as a better as well as a human-like concept to providing this prompt. And the reason why I say to actually use this prompt is because artificial intelligence gives you more of a uniform, the concept is uniform. The algorithm provides you more of a uniform type of statement, whereas a human statement will be more precise and more detailed. So the reason why I'm saying this is because artificial intelligence doesn't provide this type of detail as well as this conscious, basic understanding of how a human would write a response, which is why it is really great to use these prompts, which I'll be leaving down in the description below. And that's basically the gist of it, guys. You can use this with articles, you can use this with better question answers. If you're trying to do something with productivity, you can use it to provide you with better prompts in that case. And with that thought, guys, I hope you've really enjoyed this video. I highly recommend that you subscribe, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be doing more videos on prompt engineering, as well as providing you guys with better prompts to use on your day-to-day basis. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please go check out the other stuff. ring the bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.